In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a QR code for your Jotform. QR codes are a fantastic way to share forms quickly and efficiently, whether you're distributing surveys, collecting registrations, or sharing information. With just a few clicks, you can make your form easily accessible to anyone with a smartphone. So, let's dive into the process. First, you'll want to begin by opening your form in Jotform. Once you're logged in, head over to your dashboard and select the form you wish to create a QR code for. Accessing the form ensures that you're starting with the right document, whether it's a job application, a feedback form, or an invitation to an event. Now that your form is open, direct your attention to the top menu. Here you'll see a few options and you want to click on Publish. This button is your gateway to sharing your form in various ways, and it's here that you'll also find the QR code feature. After clicking Publish, look for the QR code tab. It's conveniently located and easy to find among the other sharing options. This section is exclusively dedicated to generating QR codes, which means you're in the right place to create one that links directly to your form. Upon selecting the QR code tab, Jotform takes care of the rest by automatically generating a QR code for you. This efficiency is one of Jotform's strengths. It eliminates the need for you to use third-party tools or software. Before you know it, you'll have a QR code on your screen, instantly ready to connect users to your form. With your QR code generated, you have two options. You can click Download to save the QR code as a file on your device. This is particularly useful if you plan to print the QR code on flyers, posters, or other materials. Alternatively, if you want to integrate the code into an email or another digital platform, simply click Copy. This feature allows you to paste the QR code image into a document or message, making it easily shareable online. And there you have it. You've successfully created a QR code for your Jotform, and it's now ready to share or print. QR codes simplify the process of getting your form into the hands of your audience swiftly and effectively. Remember, making your form more accessible maximizes engagement